Dear, got you back on track. Wait, is that Percy on a tractor? Let's go see. Alright.
I think another person just did it.
There he is.
Come on, I know who put it. Well, if you don't know.
Hey, Percy! Percy! Ah! What was that for? You're on a tractor talking a picture. No, I was thinking about the tractor in the way of my way. Oh. Picture! Why is that tractor in the way? Harold just put it here by mistake. Oh, that's what he did. Harold! Yes, old chap. Can you get the tractor out of the way, please? Percy's trying to continue on his journey. Alright then, old chap. I'm gonna pick it up. Oh no. I'm gonna press. Oh, wait. Huh? Oh no, 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 no! Harold! Harold, are you okay? My propeller just got cracked. Oh, I'll take you. I'll just fix him. I'll get my tools. 5 minutes later. Huh. Done. You can fly now. Thank you, old chap James. Well done. But next time, Percy, what? Do not use the tractor. I'll take it. I just put it under the table. Thank you. No problem. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.